Okay, so this is Math 1, Section 24. My name is Professor Walker. We meet Tuesdays and Thursdays at 10:30. We will probably never do the full meeting, and today is a very short meeting. Today is just the syllabus. Okay, so let me get that and share it with you. All right, so you should see the syllabus. We're Math 1, Mathematical Reasoning, Spring 2021. My name is Cassandra Walker. You can email me anytime. Oops, I'm just covering that part. I have the class number there if you're trying to add the class. And see, there's a link to our meeting and then office hour info. Office hours are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 3 to 3:45 on Zoom. And I put the ID. Okay, there's no prereq for this class. Let's see if I can. Okay. General education. So this class satisfies area B4, which means we have a writing component. I'm going to include that on your exams. So if you have a test question that asks you to write a full sentence, it will be graded on the quality of your writing. So you just want to make sure you put some effort into it. Not too picky, but still, we have to fulfill the learning outcomes, which is also to practice using math. Oops. There we go. And cool. Yeah, so just a side note, we're going to start off with some kind of statistics topics, some organizing data, and then some probability. And then we go to a final topic called graph theory, which you might not have seen before. It's like a different kind of graph than a graph of a function. We'll get to that later. Okay, back to class stuff. So for course materials, we are doing 3 sections from the book, but you don't need to buy the book. I say you don't need to buy anything for this class. I'm going to use Canvas. Canvas will have homework and tests, and that's it. So I'm going to skip the catalog description and just say that this class is for, this is a math class in which you don't have to take another math class after it. It's just a math class in which we practice and have fun, and it shouldn't be too stressful. If it does get stressful, if there is too much going on, let me know. Okay, structure of the course. So we want to cover 3 different topics. We'll do 1 topic for 5 weeks, take a test, and then start over with a new topic, 5 weeks, take a test, and then the last topic for the last 5 weeks, do a test, no final. Okay. I picked chapter 15, which is to organize data, chapter 16, probability, and then we move to chapter 5, which is called, actually it's about graph theory. Okay, I will give you homework, no homework this week, but homework will be in Canvas. I'll use the quiz tab to make homework, and it will have multiple choice answers with unlimited attempts, and I'll set due dates, but if you ever need an extension, let me know. The final due date is the last day of class. So I'm not too picky about extensions. I just don't want homework to pile up. Okay, tests. You have 3 tests. Those will be on Canvas. They will probably not have any multiple choice answers. With some of your answers will need to be essay response, and then the rest will be like stuff we do in class. Will you be adding the quiz tab? It's not on Canvas. Okay, I'll check that one. Yes. We'll check your Canvas page after the syllabus. Make sure you guys have the quiz tab. Thank you. Okay. How long are the tests? Oh, cool. Yes. So let me write this down, and I'll also put this on Canvas. I'll make sure that you have 1 week to do the test. I like to make it so that it has like no time limit and unlimited attempts, and I'll choose the highest score. You know what? I'll just write that on Canvas. Okay. And yeah, I'm not super strict. I want you to understand the material. So if you even need help on a test or need help in homework, you can see my office hour. I don't think that you'll need extra help, but I will send out an email soon about the math lab. There's an online math lab this semester. Okay, let's finish the syllabus and then do more questions, but still feel free to ask questions. Okay, so your test. None of your tests are cumulative. There's no final cumulative exam. Actually, any other questions about tests? We have, oh, let me pause. Okay, so we have a plan to do one every 5 weeks. I'd say attendance isn't graded, but I do suggest it. I don't have the best internet service sometimes, so even though I record the class, it's difficult to load it to Canvas. So if you don't want to fall behind on the material, please attend the meeting. I only have some lecture, like a lot of examples ready. I don't have anything typed up or that I can like just post online right now. We'll have to meet and talk if you need help doing homework. So we're on to the grade. So homework and exams. Homework is 28%. Each test is 24%, so 100% total. And there's the grade scale. And let's see. Okay. Also, homework, you'll have at least a week. I could always make it more. I'll probably make it a little extra time on homework. And just kind of as a habit, I usually make it due on Sunday nights, so I might stick with that. Nothing due this Sunday, probably one homework due next week on Sunday. Okay, so I'd like to show you the Canvas page, and then we'll call it good. Okay, so let's get this here. Share the screen. Oh, I see some questions. So before we go to Canvas, our tests, so the tests will, I didn't plan to put any multiple choice questions on the test. I could put a couple, but for the most part, it's all like it's all going to have an essay answer, like an essay section. Well, sometimes you just put in a number, like just put in a, you don't have to show your work, you can put the answer in. but sometimes it will ask you to write a full sentence or two about, it'll be clear if you have to write something that's like essay. Yeah, let's see. Maybe some, yeah, we'll just keep it like that. When a test time comes, we'll start talking about what it looks like. And I also want to make a review for every test. I just hope that there's going to be time. So I'll put that to myself. I'm going to try to make reviews with like similar but different problems, like examples for what we're doing. Okay, Canvas. Let's hide this too. So let's go to the home page. So actually, let's try student view where you guys would see. Aha, the quizzes did disappear. Well, I think that when I do make a quiz, I can put it, I can definitely attach it to modules. I can put it in multiple places, like the modules or into our assignment section, which is also not showing. I'll check your guys' Canvas page. Okay, but there will be a quiz tab or a quiz section where you have homework and tests. Multiple choice type homework, essay, answer, tests. Some of them sentences, some of them just numbers. All right, class meetings are on Zoom. And then the modules will have like week by week what we're doing. It'll have the recordings for the class and the little notes that we have from the meetings. I'll try to have in each module. Right now, we just have a getting started module. There's class information, some of my information, and a schedule, which we're going to jump into. The rest of this is just help from Sac State about transitioning to online, doing Math 1 online. Okay, let's see. I think that we have checked. Sorry, guys. I'm still getting used to Zoom. Okay, so no homework this week. We'll have a homework one due next week on Sunday. And we do the first topic for 5 weeks, then take a test. Then we switch to a new topic for 5 weeks. We'll have spring break in the middle, or somewhere in the middle. We'll come back and take the next test. It is not cumulative. And then we go to our last topic, do that for 5 weeks, do a test on just that topic. And then during finals week, there's no final. If you want to do makeups, let me know. Or like, yeah, that's it. So it looks like I need to work on our Canvas page, but I'm done for today as far as the meeting goes. Next meeting on Thursday, and we start chapter 15. So stay if you have questions.